Meaning of in situ.
In situ.
In situ.
In situ.
In situ. The phrase in situ means in its original place or position. It is most commonly used in scientific fields, particularly in geology and biology, to refer to something that has not been moved from its natural location for study. For example, a researcher studying rocks in the field may prefer to analyze them in situ rather than collecting samples and bringing them to a lab for analysis. This allows for a more accurate assessment of the rock's characteristics and context. In other words, in situ refers to examining something in its native environment without disturbing it.